California shawty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I'm going to just be doing a chatty makeup look. I've filmed multiple videos, honestly, and I've just been really lazy not to edit them, but I'm gonna get on that, I promise. I have a few things to talk to you guys about, and I got some new glitters from House of Sparkles UK. You guys know I'm obsessed with them, and I have way too many of their glitters. I'll just show you like how many I have from them. But yeah, I'm gonna do a bright summery type of look today because I need to be posting on Instagram. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I wanted to show you how many glitters I like truly have. So I have this container, and it looks like this. I don't want to like make them all fall out because I have them organized by color and shade, but if you can see all of these right here, if I just try and hold them, you can like see there are so many. I probably have like at least 30 or so of their glitters at this point, but they're so pretty and I love them. And I have a code with them, which is torilinnmua. You get 15% off your purchase. Make sure you go buy some, they're amazing. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So now we will actually get into this makeup. Okay, so I was filming and my mom called me. So basically, I prime my eyes with my MAC Paint Pot and Painterly, and I've never used it before, but so far it seems to be doing pretty good. And then I've been using the EYN Bright palette by Beauty Bay. So I went in with the shade Make Me Wink first in my crease, and then I put Hello Sunshine, which is that matte yellow shade right there, right on top of it to blend it a little bit more. I have literally no idea what I'm doing for this look. All I know is that I want to use like 3 different glitters on my lid, do like an ombre or something, but I really have no idea what I'm doing. But basically, my mom called me to talk about this program or something. I don't really understand it that much, but it's where in Mount, well, I'm not gonna say where she lives. All right, where she lives, they have a lot of plays and musicals and stuff where they do theater makeup, and they want to start teaching people how to do theater makeup. And then like you can also do like the makeup for the plays and stuff where it's not like as extravagant for some like specific things. So I might be starting to do that, I don't know. But also, I haven't announced this to you guys yet, except for, not really at least, but I am moving and switching schools. I will be moving in with my mom. My mom currently lives a ways away, 3 hours away from me. And I've gone to the same high school, or the same school in general, since I was in kindergarten. Very small school. We have like 500 kids in the whole school, and I'm going to be going to a school where there is 300 kids per grade. So it's a big change. I am nervous, but I'm also excited. There's multiple reasons that I'm doing this. I don't think I need to explain them to you guys though. It's just not really business in my own opinion. But that's that as of right now. So I've been cleaning my room. I'm gonna take this Stormy Night shade, I think. But I've been taking things off my wall, like all my pictures on that wall over there is gone. My dresser has nothing on it, basically. The wall by my bed has none of my like ticket stamps for stuff anymore. They're all been taken down. So I'm slowly packing, and I have way more stuff than I ever thought. Like I never knew I had this much stuff. Okay, this is what I have so far. I know it looks messy. Yes, like I do know. It's gonna look messy. Always look messy until the very end. So don't judge me, okay? Like, keep your opinions to yourself. Thank you very much. But basically, I'm going to be going in with my House of Glitter. Oh my gosh, House of Sparkles glitters. My sister helped me pick out the shades I'm gonna use. So I'm using my NYX glitter primer clearly, and I'm gonna go in with Deep Sea right on like the outer portion, and then Barbie Dust on the inner, and then she wants me to do a gold on my inner corner. This is giving me like Aladdin vibes, so maybe this will be like an Aladdin inspired look. I don't know. Okay, so this is currently what my eyes look like. This one looks way better than this one, which is always what happens, but I am not gonna mess with it. So I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline foundation. I'm not using a primer just because I'm not gonna have this makeup on for very long, so there's like no point in me putting on primer, you know. I go to New York on Sunday after Zoe graduates. Zoe is my sister. I love her so much, and I cannot believe that she's done with high school and that I'm not gonna be living with her anymore, or my little brother. I'm not gonna be living with my dad anymore either. This is gonna be weird. I'm like excited, but really, really scared at the same time. And like, if you ever decide like to move, like, or switch parents or whatever, the people who you currently like are friends with and stuff are gonna try and tell you that you're leaving them. Trust me, you are not. Like, people keep being like, oh, you're leaving me, and that, like, it sucks for people to say that to me, because I'm not like leaving to leave like the people that I love, but I'm leaving because I need to, because I do not like the school here. Like, you guys have seen me, like my week wearing lash video, I literally was like almost crying in that video because of school, and that's not okay. Like, I shouldn't have to leave class because I'm crying 3 times a week. Like, that's not okay. Okay, so for my bronzer, I'm going in with the e.l.f. bronzer palette. I'm just kind of mixing them all together. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to use my Pixie Subtle Sunrise Duo. I'm going to use this shade, and then I'm going to be using my Anastasia Snowflake Loose highlighter right on top. So basically, I just wanted to film, that's why I'm doing this video. But then I'm gonna go to a friend's later and go swimming, because it's finally nice out here. It's gonna be like 80 degrees today, so I'm gonna go do that. I don't know if she's spending the night or what. I'm not really sure yet. I just wish I had my license for like times like this, because it's like a pain in the butt during this time of year to do stuff, because my dad's mowing all the time, and my sister's at graduation rehearsal, and my friend is in choir, so she's at the graduation rehearsal for a little while, and we're like trying to figure out our plans, but it's really hard to when like she has to talk to her dad, I have to talk to my dad, we have to figure out who can drive. Like, it's just all a pain in the butt. I love putting highlighter up here now. Like, I think it was Nikki's Tutorials, I think, or Jaclyn Hill. I don't remember which one. Speaking of Jaclyn Hill, I bought one of her lipsticks. I probably shouldn't have, but I did. I literally paid $24 for a lipstick because of shipping, which is insane. That's expensive. And I didn't even get like the shade I really wanted. I got Nude AF. And then like the more I looked at it after I bought it, I was like, that's gonna be so light. But it's okay, I wanted to support her. Jaclyn Hill's like my girl, so it's probably fine. Okay, so this is basically the end of the look. I went in with the Salon Perfect 615 lashes. I think I'm just gonna throw them away after this use because they are like trashed. I forgot inner corner highlight, so let's see. I'm gonna use this light yellow shade. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. It's called Rise and Shine from my Beauty Bay palette. I saw this thing on Twitter, and it was of someone getting a Beauty Bay order, and there was like worms in the girl's package, which is disgusting. Like, that should never happen, ever. Also, my Ariana Grande concert is in a month from tomorrow. I'm getting so excited. I love this look. I like this side way better than this side. This side is just never looks right. Okay, I'm going in with Morphe Virgin Liquid Lip, and then Maybelline Baddest Beige, and then my MAC Brooklyn Born Gloss. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It's glowy and very summery. It's like flamingo Aladdin-esque. I love it a lot. I think it's very, very pretty. So now I'm just going to go make some french fries and take makeup pictures. So I'm sorry with the lighting. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look slash update. I'm gonna be posting more soon, I promise. School just ended yesterday. I'm going on vacation, but I'm planning on vlogging, hopefully, maybe, we'll see. And I have like 2 or 3 other videos already filmed. I just need to edit, but I will get back on my sheet very soon, I promise. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.